Hey guys, what's up right now? So I'm playing Go Live. So this is my new phone because my other one glitched for some reason. Sorry, the music in the background with my mom. So yeah. And I'm gonna have to make this real quick because I have to watch my baby sisters. So I'm gonna be opening 4 gifts I just got. So yeah. Let's go. So loading in takes forever, I don't know why, but it does. So I'm gonna have to do it for the rest of my life until I get a new phone. Okay, finally. So I made new characters and I built me some houses. I'm gonna do that later. Oh my god, my other stuff came. I didn't even know. Literally, this was not even. Oh my god, it's the creepy ball. I don't like that thing. It's so creepy. Okay, so I'm gonna be opening for this. Do you guys like my avatar? I think it's cute. Okay, let's start. Number 1. Where you go? That was kind of weird, but okay. So this is the stuff I got? Oh, okay, whatever. Well, guess that was weird. Wow. Perfect. Whatever. What's this? Okay, well I guess that's it. Oh, I thought it was gonna be something better. But whatever. At least I got some stuff. And, well, I'll see you guys later. In the next video, I'm going to give you guys a little hint. It has an S. So, yeah. And go on Zen. I'm going to be, you can, see my videos and stuff. I hope it's going to restart. I didn't see it yet. So, yeah. I'll see you guys later. Bye.